no two-day in my job role is the same. It's all very much meeting the demands of obviously Ross and Rado and the rest of the guys in the office. It's kind of just I'm there to make their lives easier, which I really enjoy, which is nice. In my kind of job role, it always can be a little bit daunting. You think you're there to kind of support, and sometimes I think you can just be a person, but it's definitely not what I feel we are, a team. As soon as I kind of got the job, I was straight in for communication training. Ross is always looking at ways in which I can look at, minute taking, and it's very specific to my role.
We had a DDI training, which is an internationally recognised management training course. It was quite an expensive course and quite an intensive one as well. It just taught you as a manager to look at different ways to approach difficult situations and how to deal with them with the people that you work with, and I think it's paying off. It makes you a better manager, but also just teaches you to listen more, which is always a good thing.
I've had 2 NVQs here as a customer service and also admin and business, which I'm really glad I could do it. Also, I'm sure as you know, we have our training manager, and he's working with us on the day-to-day.
A lot of training is done downstairs. They call us in and training is given to us by the manager or supervisor. They send you away to college as well. I've been to Carshorn College to learn about gas engineering.
You do get to know an individual, you do get to know their likes, their dislikes, their routines, what suits them, and Ross and Rado are definitely very much, if you come to them with a problem, or can I do, or is there a way around it, it's not a straight off, no, you can't, I'm sorry, it's, well, I'll take it, I'll see what I can do with it, and if we can work around you, they always will, they're, more than always accommodating.
It's a business, and of course business is important, but they take a personal interest in your life outside of work. So they'll always ask you, how your husband, your wife, or your partner, whoever it is, they'll always ask after them, or if there's something going on in your life that's, not work related, but they know that it's happening, they'll always take an interest. So it's lovely, they really are lovely guys. Yeah.
It's nice to work for Domex because, again, whenever you've got a problem, an issue, there's always somebody to talk to in the particular department.
Every day is different here, and I really enjoy what I do, and I feel like I'm surrounded by people that care, not only by our customers, but also about us, how we feel here. As you can see, they all try to make the office nice, and the experience for us and experience for customer is the best as they can. I know it's just white goods, but I do have a feeling like we do help people a lot, really. And that joy of kind of making a slot earlier for the customer when they call asking, can we send someone today? And we have managed to help. I really enjoy it.
I think what sets us apart is that even though we've got a lot bigger since I joined, I think that our values have remained the same. So that all of those things that you see on the walls about, family values and everybody being part of something, your ideas, everything that you might bring to the table in terms of changes, if there's value in that, it doesn't matter who makes that suggestion, they'll try it, we'll give it a go, and I think that adds something that you might not find at a bigger company, because you are just a number, and you're not just a number here, you're part of something. So for anyone who's looking to be part of something a little bit more personal, yeah, this is a really good place to be.